Hi everyone, we're here at SNR in Congressional. May sausage. I want to try their sausage. May mga free taste. Free taste! Mm. Mm. Sarap. So, mag-iikot-ikot tayo right here at SNR. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakabalik. Dahil ngayon lang kami nag-renew ng card. Cookies. Ito ba yun? Mano, ito ba yun? Cranberry yun eh.
Oo nga, wala. Oatmeal lahat eh.
Check yung mga cookies na available. So, we having oatmeal raisin cookies, vegan choco chip cookies, peanut butter cookies, and then chocolate s'mores, and chocolate chunk cookies. Glazed vanilla marble ring cake, regular choco caramel ring cake, and then pineapple upside down cake. Yan, ang dami. Glazed fruit loaf lila. And then, may carrot and walnut cake. Ayan. So, here at the other side is yung gingerbread house, muffins, different muffins. Ayan, ang daming choices. So, may other vegan, options. Ayan. So, ito yung meat section.
Yung eco bag ko ba dun?
Saan daw? Pangatlo pa ganun. Titingnan ko lang yung... Let's check yung kanilang Ben and Jerry's. Yeah, masarap. Wala na yung ko. Yung cookie dough, parang wala na. Wala na. Ayun pa, ang dami doon. New York Fudge. Johnsville. Yung nasa free taste kanina na sausage. Ang sarap, guys. And cheddar. So, ayun daw yun. How much siya? It's 352 pesos. So, sausage. Mother! Sweet potatoes. Ito. Sweet potatoes. How much? It's 143. Grabe yung patong doon sa strawberries. It's 800. Wow. Charcuterie.
Ang pinakamasarap.
What's this? Pesto. Yeah, for us. Meron din chicken. May chicken barbecue wraps. And then for the salad. Ayan.
Hindi, ito yung lang, hindi yan maanghang.
Wow. What? Ayan. Let's try the nuts.
Apo. Ano siya ma'am, assorted siya. Butter brand. Kailan naka-separate pack yun?
Okay.
Ma'am.
Sarap.
Yan po yung kanyang flavor. Well, ito yan ma'am, assorted yan talaga sa birthday. Yes ma'am, butterblade brand po. Iwag din ma'am.
Jalapeno.
Hindi din magpapapili ng Dr. Pepper.
Ito. Salsa. Meron, ano, kamatis?
Salsa ba? Ah, oo. Ito, ano siya?
Parang hindi naman ganun ka-crazy. Tingnan mo sa dogs ba to? Ito yung doggy area, lala. The doggy area and cleaning area. Let's check. The doggy area. May toys for dogs. Ano yun? That's it. And then the shampoos.
Ay, meron tayo. Ang lakbago pa yun eh.
Oo. Parang more, mga 5 pack. Poppy shampoo concentrate. Cleaning supplies. Let's check if my yellowtail. Wine. What? Yung alin? Kailangan lang natin yung pang chill, which is yellowtail. Oh, parang here. I think maybe here. Yeah, pero ang laki. Meron palang malaki to. Yan. Yeah, it's too much. There you go. Moscato. Sarap. Dito tayo sa shampoo. Shampoo and conditioner. O, dito naman tayo sa side na to.